Kenya Junior Secondary Education Assessment, KJSEA, KJSEA, or we can call it KJSEA. Like we say KPSEA, but this one is KJSEA. KJSEA. Kenya Sign Language Paper 2. We talked about Paper 1. Now this is how Paper 2 will look like. It takes maximum time of 1 hour and 40 minutes. So here the students of grade 9, the year 2025 and henceforth, will be required to do questions containing a total marks of 40. So the question 1, the question has been classified to A and B, 1, 2, 3, and 4. So question 1, task number 1, which contains 20 marks, is a picture below. Careful look. So you study the picture and then you use the picture to study or to answer the questions that is going to follow. So for them, they are going to write maybe something like a composition, picture below. Carefully look, story, KCL light. So they know what that means. So they will study the pictures and then they will use the pictures to write something like a composition. Yes, of what is happening in the picture. Task number 2, that is section B. Task 1, containing 10 marks. Picture meal below, explain cook how. So that is how the sign language, they know how to interpret that. So for you who is doing English, you may be wondering what kind of language is this, but this one is called KCL, Kenya Sign Language, and they know what they are saying. You may not understand if you don't know sign language. Task 2 is person picture below, work explain. Are you seeing that? So you could even wonder what they are talking about, but they know what they are saying, what they want, and what they are saying. Next, so they will describe this person and the work he does. They will do it in their language they have understood. Task 3, time used thing below, advantage what. So they know what that means. It may not make sense to anybody who doesn't have knowledge skills on sign language, but it makes sense to those who have learned and use sign language. So this is grade 9 exam sample from the year 2025 henceforth. So this is the sample. So the teachers are supposed to use this sample to ensure that they set, as they assess the students in grade 9, they ensure that they adhere to the standards that have been set by the Kenya National Examination Council, so that the students can be able to answer the questions as expected. So this is Kenya Sign Language Paper 2, 40 marks.